Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting for all you video editors and content creators. If you have been wanting to try CapCut in India but didn't know how to get started, you're in the right place. Alright, the very first step that we need to do is we need to open App Store. We'll be searching with CapCut if we are able to find or not. So as you can see right now, there's no such application available in App Store. So we'll click on the profile icon that is in the top. Here we will open our profile. See, as of now our country region is India. We need to change the region, only then we'll be able to access CapCut application. So for changing, we'll be searching for Korea Republic. We'll select that, then we'll click on continue. We'll agree with the terms. Then okay, they are asking for some details. We need to fill in the details and make sure to select none in the payment option. So in the street address, in city address, we can fill whatever we want. In city and province, we need to select Seoul, and postcode would be 01001, and phone number you need to just type 558. After that you can type any random numbers. Once it's done, we'll just simply click on done. Okay, now it's refreshing. See, our country region has been changed to Korea Republic of. It will take some time to refresh the applications. Let's check again if it is reflecting or not as Korea Republic. Yeah, it is reflecting. So now let us search for CapCut if it is available now or not. See, now we are able to find the application CapCut. So we'll simply click on the download icon. It will take some time based on your internet speed. Although I am using 5G network, but still it's working very slow. I don't know what happens to Jio these days. Okay, let's open CapCut. See, finally the application has been installed, and they'll be asking for some login credentials. We'll just give those credentials and we'll be able to use the CapCut application. Yeah, the application has been opened now. Alright guys, that's how we will be installing the application. I hope this video helped you out. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. You can drop comments anytime if you are facing any issues. I'll be replying to you all. Thanks for giving your time.